So this is the kind of furniture that people in Morocco like. So hi Kevin.
Hi Molly.
So my question is, how's the overseas sales doing now?
We have two sections. One is in Vietnam. We have production based in Vietnam. We're mainly focusing on the USA market. And here in Nankang, we started from beginning of this year. As you see here, most of the sofa and all the furniture we are using the modern style, more like from good for your hometown, like Casablanca style. Also, we are very popular in the Middle East, in Australia, even Southeast Asia. Some products for Africa even. Yeah. So generally speaking, this year we experienced a very rapid growth in the overseas market. In Vietnam, we are looking at 3 billion RMB revenue this year, almost 2,000 to 3,000 containers per month. Here, we are looking at like 50 million RMB revenue this year, and next year we're gonna double it.
I'm visiting the A-Home Furnishing Mass Manufacturing base here in Nankang. With the help of the modern technology, the factory has changed a lot. Mass machines and automatic production line made the furniture production process easier, faster, and with higher quality. Here, the whole production process has become smarter, from preparing materials to making, packing, and delivering furniture. Every step is carefully managed. No, Nankang furniture can reach more than 50 countries and regions around the world. It's amazing. The factory is so large, and yes, I have just few workers here.
是的，我们厂房实现从板材上料到成品装车出货，我们全流程都是智能化、自动化生产的。以前传统生产光是分拣区，我们至少要配置100名工人才能正常运转，用工量大，管理成本也高。现在换成全数字化生产线后，分拣环节基本实现了无人化作业，大幅度减少了人工依赖，场地面积也只需要传统分拣的1/5。我们这条全流程数字化控制与自动化生产线，订单线上同步后台，机器自动排场，不用人工反复测量裁剪。以前手工制作误差大，海外订单尺寸要求严苛，很难大批量出口。现在数字化精准管控，良品率可以达到100%。
What I have seen in A-Home Furniture perfectly shows how far Nankang has come. Manual work has been replaced by intelligent assembly lines, and local furniture now travels thousands of miles to reach homes in Africa, the Middle East, and Europe. This inland city shows that advanced manufacturing and open trade policies can help Chinese brands go global. This is the charm of Jiangxi Manufacturing, hidden for the world.